everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video will be all about creating a TikTok account. Before creating an account, let me tell you what TikTok is. TikTok is a Chinese video sharing social networking service owned by ByteDance, a Beijing-based internet technology. It is used to create short music, lip sync, dance, comedy, and talent videos of 3 to 15 seconds and short looping videos of 3 to 60 seconds. To create a TikTok account, first download it from the Play Store. It is available on both Android and iOS operating system. After that, click the app Open. On the bottom right corner, after it is open, click the Me profile. After that, you'll see a sign up option. Click that and you will see a lot of ways to create an account. Choose one of these and click it. Today, let's create it by using phone or email. Now enter your date of birth and click next. Here, choose the country code and type in your phone number. Do whatever it asks you of. Now a 4-digit code has been sent to your mobile number you just entered. Type in the code and create a password. Click next, create a username and click to sign up. There you go, that's it. Simple and quick. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I'll see you soon again with more tutorial videos. Goodbye till then.